Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and this is the Flower Fiesta Paper Collection by Craft a Clock. Craft a Clock papers come from Poland, and they are available at the Sandpaper Road shop in the USA. This is a discontinued collection actually, but because I still have so much in my shop, I wanted to show you the paper. Look at this. And you get on the back of the packaging, you get some dies to cut out. And I thought this was lovely for spring. This is the 12 by 12. And you get 8 sheets in the 12 by 12. I just love the color palette. But this would also be really good for like wedding season as well. Okay, so that is the 12 by 12. This is the 8 by 8, and the way Craft a Clock used to do it on the back of their 8 by 8 is they would give you cut aparts like that. Otherwise, it's the same designs on the back of the 8 by 8 set. 24 sheets here. Okay, and then it repeats again, as you can see. But they only included one of those title papers with the cut aparts on the back. The rest of it just kind of goes through and repeats. Okay, so 24 sheets there. The way they used to do it too is this, the 8 by 8s were 190 GSM. So as opposed to the 12 by 12, this is a little bit of a lighter weight with the thought that you'd be making mini albums, so you wouldn't want to sacrifice a heavy weight and have this big clunky album. So 24 sheets here at the 8 by 8 and 190 GSM. The 6 by 6 has 24 sheets as well, but this is the heavier weight, the 250 GSM. On the back of the packaging, you've got little wreath fussy cut elements, and then the same designs as before. And then it repeats there. Okay. Very, very nice. And at the very end here on the 6 by 6, more tags and cut aparts as well. This collection was released before Craft a Clock started to do their basic line. So they don't have the basic papers that go with this collection, but surely you could check out in the Sandpaper Road shop coordinating collections. There's white and beige mood, and I will flash them up here on the screen, and pink mood, and then there might be some blue mood left over just depending on what we've got in stock, but check those out and I'll leave links up here, or you can just check the description box down below. Flower Fiesta coordinates with 2 extras sets. One is a regular extras and the other one is the Junk Journal album extras set. So let's first look at the regular extras. You've got cut aparts here, flowers, and these are all double-sided images, which I am so in love with. Makes fussy cutting and electric machine cutting so nice. And more cut aparts here. Lovely leaves and flowers. Just imagine the projects. So you can see that it's repeating. You've got plenty of variety here. Lots of nice cut aparts. This is really good for card making, spring card making. Very, very, very nice. That is the regular extra set that coordinates. The Junk Journal extra set is a little bit different. So you've got pockets here that, well, they're cut apart, but you fold the edges. I don't know if you can see the edge. That gives you a guideline to fold. That's really, really nice for your album, mini album making, and tabs. And because they do it double-sided, when you use this for the tab, then if it hangs over the side or the tab is sticking up, you've got this pattern on the other side. These are mini envelopes. This is a mini album lover's dream right here. More cut aparts. Some extra embellishments, And these, if you notice, they're single-sided, but you've got an additional long pattern paper on the other side. So you could technically, if you didn't want to use these, you could use this as sort of your mini album page if you wanted to. Tags, and here's a nice big card insert, pockets, tickets, and then it repeats. So you actually get two of everything in here in this Flower Fiesta's junk journal set. And another thing that coordinates, which again discontinued, are these chipboard die cuts. Now, even though Craft O'Clock discontinued them, Sandpaper Road has quite a bit in the shop. So check these out. Now these are, they just pop right out of the packaging, and they are chipboard embellishments that are so awesome for your projects. Speaking of awesome, you've got a little tab that says awesome, and you could just pop that right out. And you could see how easily they pop out. That's why I saved this for last, so it would go against the packaging. And yep, it's just a nice little tab. So nice. You get so many, and even like with this pops out, so you have a nice frame. All the coordinating images that go with the Flower Fiesta. So the Flower Fiesta Paper Collection, available in the USA at sandpaperroad.com. Beautiful for spring. While you're there in the shop, check out all the other paper collections by Craft O'Clock that we have in stock. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.